Hermes Agent is an open source AI agentic framework that gives your models real hands, a terminal, file access, web tools, memory, and the ability to run multi step tasks without you babysitting every turn. And we have covered this tool a lot. You can consider this tool, which I do, is some sort of operating layer between your model and the real world. Now, this team has shipped something very useful, a feature called as slash loop, and it changes how agents handle time dependent work. Instead of you sitting there typing check again every few minutes, which I keep doing while making videos, you set a prompt once, and Hermes agent wakes itself up on a recurring timer, reads the current state of the world fresh each time, does the work, reports back, and goes quiet until the next tick. The killer part is the stop conditions. You can tell it to run a fixed number of times, give it a natural language condition like stop when the deploy is live, or you can have a judge model evaluating that after every single wake up, or let the agent decide for itself when the job is done, which I prefer, by the way. So today in this video we are going to run this against a local Qwen3.8 27 billion ridge model, which I am already serving with Llama server here. If you don't know what that is, just go to my channel and watch that video where we have covered this rich quantized model in great detail, one of the best quant, by the way. So llama.cpp, no sort of API required here, and we are going to test out what this slash loop looks like in practice. This is my Ubuntu system, and I already have Hermes installed. And let me quickly show you the version, because you must have a latest version, otherwise it is not going to work. I'll just say Hermes update so that it is updated and it is not behind any commits. So make sure that if you are also trying it out, you also update it, otherwise you won't get this loop feature, which is very recent. Okay, so now we have the latest Hermes agent version here. And now let me create a profile in Hermes agent. So you see I'm just calling it loop demo. Provider is custom on my local system where llama.cpp is running, and I'm giving it that local model. Now it looks cool with current working directory. The great thing is that this loop mechanism is quite customizable. So you can see I have just created this config file in my loop demo profile, which I just showed you we created. And this is what it looks like. At the top, same thing which we did earlier where we have set the model, its context and working directory. But look at this section where we are specifying the loops. This sets the parameter for how the loop behaves. Min interval means it won't fire faster than every 30 seconds. Max takes is the hard stop. 100 wake ups and it pauses itself. The floor and ceiling control the self-paced back off. It starts checking every 30 seconds, and if nothing is changing, it slows down to once every 2 minutes. And my apologies for my voice. So hopefully now you understand what exactly this looping is doing. And I have just tested it and the profile is working. You can see that our model is responding to Hermes agent. Now let's do a demo as how exactly this thing works. Now to demonstrate this slash loop properly, we need something that changes state on its own schedule, like a real deploy would. So I'm going to create this simple shell script that simulates a deployment pipeline moving through 4 stages: queued, building, deploying, and live, with a 60-second pause between each one. As you can see here, it is sleeping. The loop will watch this file and report every time the state changes. And now let's kick off that fake deploy. So it is running at the moment. As you can see, I'm just going to launch my Hermes agent in parallel. That is also launched. And once it is running, I'm going to give it this prompt. So primarily we are telling Hermes to check the status file every 30 seconds, right? And report the stage. When it sees live, it ends its reply with loop complete and the loop stops itself. Let's wait for it. You see it is already running, and there you go. So the first wake up fired. It is still running. Again, now the current state is queued. It is deploy still in progress. You see how loop is working now, and now it is moved on to the building stage. So again, just to reiterate, we at the top, I'll just take you up here, sorry. So we typed this loop command once and we walked away. Hermes confirmed the loop is set, told us the first wake up fires in 30 seconds, and then fired it automatically. It read the status file fresh, saw the stage is queued, reported it in one line, and went back to sleep for another 30 seconds. It did not touch anything. And then it woke up. It said, okay, fine, the next stage is building. And then it has progressed. It went back to sleep, told us, came back, then it is deploying and not live yet. So this is how the loop is working. Really, really useful for multi-stage deployment in CI/CD, for example. And there you go, all finished. As you can clearly see, after 5 wake-ups, the agent saw the stage flip to live, wrote the loop complete, and the loop closed cleanly. Notice on wake up 5, it even got smart. It switched from reading the file directly to checking the file's modification time with stat. Very, very interesting, this one. Because it noticed the read tool was deduplicating unchanged content, we never touched the terminal once. It's all happening behind the scene. If you have been following my channel, you know that normally with Hermes agent, I was using goals. I will still use them, but this is the difference which you need to understand. Slash loop, slash goal, and cron all look similar, but they solve completely different problems. Slash loop is timer driven. Use it when something external is changing on its own schedule and you just want the agent watching it. Slash goal is judge driven. Use it when you have a specific objective and you want the agent hammering on it until it is done. And cron is for when the work needs to survive your terminal closing. It runs outside any session entirely. The rule of thumb is simple. Watching something, use loop. Fixing something, use goal. Scheduling something unattended, use cron. That's it. So this is Hermes slash loop running fully local on Qwen 3.8 27 billion rich with no AP key whatsoever and zero babysitting, which I think is the best part of this whole stuff. Also, recently I have started this free weekly AI newsletter, which you can subscribe at fahadmirza.substack.com. If you found this video useful, please become a member. Thank you for all the support.